Hello children, in this video I will tell you about the acids and their types. In previous video I already told you that acids are the chemicals which makes a substance sour in taste. Now there are four types of acids: strong acids and weak acids, concentrated acids and dilute acids. Now strong acids, we have to learn the examples. Generally all mineral acids are the strong acids. Like first example is HCl, hydrochloric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, H3PO4, phosphoric acid. And weak acids are generally present in fruits, vegetables, and they are present in plants and animals. I already told you in my previous video, like citric acid, which is present in the citrus fruit, acetic acid, it is vinegar, formic acid, it is present in the ants. Now another two types of acid is concentrated and dilute. The basic difference between concentrated and dilute acid that in concentrated acid the water content is very less, पानी की amount है वो बहुत कम होता है, whereas in dilute acids the water content is much more. These are prepared in the factories and we can make these concentrated acids dilute. It is a very important point. It is to be noted that concentrated acids can be diluted by adding acid slowly to the water. We should never add water in the acids directly. So it is very important. Have to keep in mind. Now let me tell you about the acid rains. In factories, various gases are released like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and all these gases they mixes with the rainwater and forms acid rain. And this acid rain can affect in three ways. It can affect soil, it can affect water bodies as well as the marble monument. The yellowishness of Taj Mahal is just because of the acid rain, because you already know that Taj Mahal is made up of marble. So that this is all about the classification of the acids, in which acids can be classified into four types: strong acids and weak acids, concentrated acids and dilute acids. You have to learn all the examples of this strong acid and weak acids. And the most important point to be noted is that concentrated acids can be diluted by adding acid slowly, drop by drop in water, and not by adding water directly. Fine.